Welcome back. Today's video is about HQ1 STC Jabalpur Recruitment 2021. If you want to read the recruitment details, you can head over to the description box or you can search for HQ1 STC Jabalpur Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Freshers Now website will give you all the information at one place itself. Join us through Telegram and get regular job updates. Link is in the description box. Whoever are willing to apply to this organization, make sure that you have to submit with an appropriate postal stamp all your applications to this particular address, and the details for the post are as follows. The lower divisional clerk with the pay level of 19,000 to 63,000, and next is a civilian motor driver, and next is a civilian technical instructor and a steno grade 2. Now all of these are group C post. Here are the total number of vacancies. You have 2 to 10 vacancies. Again, these vacancies are divided into category wise. And next is the details regarding the qualification. For lower divisional clerk, the candidate should have a 12th standard pass and an English typing speed of 35 words per minute on computer, Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute on computer again. For civilian motor driver, the candidate should have a matriculation or its equivalent from a recognized board or university and must possess a civilian driving license for heavy vehicles. For civilian teacher instructor, BSc with physics or its equivalent and must possess previous teaching experience as well. For stenographer grade 2, 12th standard pass and dictation of 10 minutes at 82 words per minute, transcription 50 words in English or 65 words per minute, and age limit 18 to 25 years is given for some post, and for only civilian motor driver the age limit is 27. Relaxation is given according to the norms of the government. SC/ST will be relaxed up to 5 years, OBC it's up to 3 years, PWD it's for 10 years, but again if you're belonging to reservation it will be added up to 13, 15 according to the category wise. And next details is regarding fees. You have to pay 50 rupees, the envelope, you have to attach your postal stamp with demand draft. And next is the photographs. One recent passport size photograph has to be attached, and besides 2 other additionals have to be self attached in with the application form. 45 days is given for the closing date of the application, and if you are belonging to northeastern regions, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim, etc., 52 days are given for you for the last date of the closing of application. The selection of the candidate will be basing on the merit, and this will comprise of a written test, skill test or a trade test or a typing test, and the examination pattern is as follows. There will be 4 papers, which is Paper 1, which is General Intelligence and Reasoning, Paper 2, General Awareness, Paper 3, General English, Paper 4, General Aptitude. You will have 2 hours of time to complete. 25, 50, 50, 25 is the pattern of the examination. The examination is going to be in bilingual, which is English and Hindi. Only Paper 3, which is General English, has to be taken up in English itself. Next is the syllabus. So if you want to access the topics which you have to consider for preparation, same notification link is in the description, so do check it out. And the syllabus for General Intelligence and Reasoning is problem solving, discrimination, observation, relationship concept. For General Awareness, it is Indian Constitution, General Polity, Economic Scheme, etc. For English language, the questions are regarding vocabulary, grammar, synonyms, antonyms, sentence structure. And for numerical aptitude, profit and loss, discount, numbers, decimals, fractions, relationships between numbers, fundamental arithmetic operations, etc. Here are the general instructions for the applicants. Candidates appearing for the written test and skill test have to make your own expenses to travel. Candidates who are already working in any of the organization, make sure that you are submitting your NOC as well. And next is general instructions given for all the candidates. On your envelope, clearly mention application for the post of whichever post that you're applying to, stick on the relevant stamps, and then attach all the documents along with the application form, and then you have to send it to the officials in the address which I've mentioned earlier. And the reasons for rejections is if your candidate application is incomplete, or if it is unsigned, or if there is no left or right hand thumb impressions, or if it is not in English or Hindi, then it is rejected. Now next is the details of all. The center for written examination will be in Jabalpur itself. Proof of age will be calculated according to the matriculation or secondary school certificate. And what are the documents to be attached with the application form is education, experience, ID proofs, caste, and the relevant documents if you're belonging to SC, ST, OBC or PWD. And next is the proforma for application. Here is the proforma for application. First is whichever post that you're applying to. Second is the newspaper or dated, and next is you have to attach your passport size photographs, and here they have given full name. So full name you should be written only in block letters, and that block letters you have to be writing in as it is written in 10th or SSC certificate. So you have to, don't just mention your initials like this, so mention your full name properly. And next is your father's or husband's name, your date of birth which is equal to your matriculation, and your age as per the years, months and days. So as you are submitting, so whichever date you are submitting, so that date, and till that date how many years that it has been passed, months and days of your birthday, and write the category which you are belonging to. You have to attach the relevant document as well. Category for the post which you have applied to. If you are an ex-serviceman, discharge service certificate, nationality, religion, and for further communication you should give your full address along with your PIN code. Here is the mobile number placed. So with the mobile number mention your email as well. So it will be useful for any of the further confirmation or communication. So make sure you are mentioning your email as well. Next is the details where you have to fill in regarding the education. After that, if you have any experience, put your experience here, what is the name of the role that you have done and number of years, and next attach the relevant documents. Tick whichever you are willing to take up your skill test for in Hindi or in English, and I have said earlier, attach your certificate, the same thing mentioned here. If you are a government servant, mention the years of service, and last is the declaration, signature and your name. So signature, don't put it in block letters, name, put it in a full form, and postal order DD number and the date which you have put on your DD for 50 rupees. And here note this out, left hand thumb impression is for male candidates, right thumb impression is for female candidates. Put it here carefully and then submit it before the last date. If you have any doubts, place them in the comment section. Access the same notification in the description box, and do subscribe to Freshers Now. Thank you for watching.